Hello everyone, I am Sonam, Nursing Department Assistant Professor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today I am presenting the topic Anatomy of Pharynx. So firstly, what is pharynx? Pharynx is a tube through which air, food and fluid is passed into the esophagus. Now we are read about the parts of the pharynx. Firstly, there is a nasal cavity. After that is a soft plate, hard plate, oral cavity, tongue, epiglottic, larynx and trachea. Next is our pharynx is consist of three parts. The uppermost part is the nasopharynx, middle part is oropharynx and the last and lateral part which continues to the esophagus is laryngopharynx. Now, introduction of pharynx. What is pharynx? Pharynx is a wide muscular tube situated behind the nose, mouth and the larynx, extending from the base of the skull to cervical 6 vertebrae and continues with the esophagus. The part of the pharynx, oropharynx, is continuous with the esophagus. It has three parts: upper part, middle part and lower part. The upper part is responsible only for air and the middle part is responsible for both air and food and lower part is responsible only for food. Next is pharynx, usually called the throat. The throat is the second name of the pharynx. It part of the respiratory system and digestive system. It carries air, food, fluid down from the nose and the mouth. It is a funnel shape and about 13 cm long tube and started the behind the nares and till the end of the cricoid cartilage. The pharynx lies just posterior to the nasal and oral cavity, superior larynx and anterior cervical vertebrae. It is a common passageway of air and food. Its wall is composed of skeletal muscle and is lined with a mucous membrane. The muscle of the entire pharynx are arranged into two layers. Outer layer is a circular layer and inner layer is longitudinal layer. Relaxed skeletal muscle help keep the pharynx patent. Patent is provide the nourish to the pharynx and contraction. Why they contract? They contract because they help us in swallowing the food. Next, our pharynx is divided into three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx is the uppermost part of the pharynx and this is only responsible for the air, and oropharynx is responsible for food and air. It is the middle part of the pharynx and lower part of the laryngopharynx is for food and it is attached to the esophagus. Next is the pharynx also contains tonsils and auditory tonsils. Tonsils are four in type. These are pharyngeal tonsil, tubal tonsil, palatine tonsil and lingual tonsil. Next is auditory tubes. This is clear by their name. Auditory is related to hearing process. So these are two in number and connect to ear and throat. Next is first part is nasopharynx. The top part of the throat connects to the nasal cavity and lets air pass through it. It lies at the base of the skull and immediately behind the nasal cavity. On its lateral wall are the opening of the ischial tube which connect it to middle ears. In its posterior wall is the lymphoid tissue and which is known when enlarged as adenoid tonsils. जो हमारे adenoid tissues होते हैं, it is normal in our throat, but when they are enlarged due to any infection and inflammations, then they become is the adenoid tonsil. Next, In that diagram, there is an adenoid, and when they are enlarged is known as the tonsil. Oropharynx is the middle part of the throat connect to the oral cavity. It allows air, food and fluid to pass through. The oral part of pharynx lies behind the mouth, extending from below the level of the soft plate to level of upper part of the body of cervical third vertebrae, which we can see in a next diagram. Our oropharynx is started from the oral cavity behind the nasal cavity, and it is only just for C1 to C3 is our oropharynx. Next is laryngopharynx, is the last and bottom part of our pharynx, and it is near to the throat, and it is also known as the voice box. It regulates of air to the lungs and food and fluid to the esophagus. Next, this is the anatomy of the larynx. It is continuous. It starts from the epiglottis and continues to the esophagus. Next is blood supply. All pharynx consists of blood supply from the all facial arteries. Next is the function of the pharynx. Pathway for air and food, warming and humidified. By the same method as the nose, the air is further warm and moist and is passed downward to the lungs. Carries all respiratory systems, deliver food and liquid to the digestive system, pushes food into the esophagus so it is not breathed in, equalizes pressure in the ears and drains fluid from the ear. Next is disorder. Disorder is cancer. Cancers is the nasopharyngeal cancers, oropharyngeal cancers and dysphagia. Infections, it is bacterial as well as viral infection is also. Inflammations of the auditory tube, pharyngitis, inflammations of the pharynx, sleep and apnea, and tonsillitis, inflammations of the tonsil. Thank you.